Alright, so these colors are all the same, so they're gonna yellow, green, yeah, okay, so we don't have to worry about keeping track of anything in regard to that. Kind of hard to get them all at once here. That's and then it is kind of twisting sideways a little bit. Now there we go.
Pretty old. You don't need to disconnect it from the battery or nothing like that?
It shouldn't.
No?
Shouldn't
Okay.
hurt anything.
That's what I was worried about. It.
No, I don't know
Or not the truck, you know.
how much of this extra. I guess we leave a little bit extra on it, but
It's up to you, man. You're in charge.
all right. Now let's see how the stripper part of it works. There we go.
Well, the fella out there at the truck stop, he tried to trace it, and he said without the wire and stuff, it was hard to trace, but he fiddled with it for over an hour. And he said he thought it was in this plug.
Uh-huh.
And then when I first got the truck, I brought it, had them check it out, and they thought it was in the smaller plug there. And I called a small shop at the end of Plaza. He said, well, they don't fool around with them, they just replace the whole thing. And it's like a $500 cable,
Oh,
you know. So I brought it to this kid over here, and he fiddled with it for 5 minutes, and he found that part broke off there. So that's what I'm hoping it is, you know.
Yeah.
So even if that's not the cause of the blinker not working, that still broke. So.
Right. Yeah.
And it's the red one that's broke, so that would be the power. So
Yeah.
I found the wiring diagram on the internet, but I tried reading through that. Man, that's some complicated stuff.
Mm-hmm.
You know. Okay, so during the summer too, I can always come back and put those crimp things on there. I was just worried about shorting it out. I thought I might have to disconnect something, or so I don't short out the truck.
Yeah, it's
I was just
probably
scared to fool around with it.
probably wouldn't be a bad idea, to take even if you just disconnect the battery, that way you'd know there's no live, power anywhere. But
Oh, okay. Just the red one or both of them?
yeah, just one of them. Usually they say to do the negative side.
Really? Oh,
For
okay.
I don't know whatever reason. Sometimes it spikes, that makes a spike and it can screw modules up and stuff like that.
Okay, so only disconnect the minus side.
Yeah.
Okay. And those crimp things are these things, right?
Yeah. Well, yeah, pretty close. Yeah, that looks. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, they call them butt connectors
Okay.
because I guess the two ends of the wires like butt up against each other. I guess that must be where the terminology comes from. Yeah, I kind of make a twist like that when I solder them, but I kind of twist them one against the other, and it should hang on there pretty good,
I was watching one video just an hour ago, and he soldered them, and then he put those rubber things on them.
Yeah.
And heated them up.
Yeah, that's what they call a heat shrink.
Yeah. The heat shrinks better than that, or?
Well, sometimes now there are some butt connectors that actually have the heat shrink built into them too.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I like the solder stuff. It's kind of more old school like, I guess, to do that. But let's see if I can shine this thing up a little bit.
don't know if you want to fool around with that one. That goes way down inside there. That might be a pain in the ass.
I don't even know where does that go?
It's just a yellow plug one.
Oh. Somewhere up under here.
Yeah.
Probably have to take this thing off.
Okay. Let's see if it works without it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. That looked like it was different there, but I guess okay. I guess it's the same thing. Yeah, I'll see.
Well, there is two different types of these. There's one, and then there's a type 2, and I couldn't find no numbers on them at all. So it looked the same to me.
Well,
okay,
there it is.
All right, that fixed it right up. So the regular lights are on the inside. Bright light.